Hi everyone, Agnieszka here from Publitas Customer Success Team. In this video, we'll learn how to import hotspots between publications. Importing hotspots is a great time-saving feature when you produce the same catalogs for different regions or languages. That way, you only need to tag once and then import relevant hotspots to other catalogs. What's good to mention here is that the imported hotspots will be automatically synced to the product feed connected to that publication. So you don't need to worry about making manual adjustments to reflect URL, language, or price changes. Let's see how it works in the platform. Once in the editor, click the Import Hotspot icon at the top right of the screen. To avoid duplicates, you can choose to remove all hotspots from the publication before importing new hotspots. Since in our case we don't have any hotspots yet, we leave this field blank. Proceed to select a group and a publication you want to import hotspots from. Choose the type of hotspots you want to import. When importing product and dynamic hotspots, you can choose whether you only want to import product found in both product feeds or all products. When selecting all products, details from the source publication will be used if the product does not exist in the product feed of the current publication. For link hotspots, you can adjust part of the URL if necessary to fit the localization of your publication properly. We will also import page-jump hotspots in our case. Once you have selected the hotspot types you want to import, click the Import Hotspots button. After a few seconds, the new hotspots are visible in our publication. That's it for this video. You'll find relevant knowledge base articles linked down below. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one.